Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sydney, local and long-distance movers near me. When you're hiring a moving company for moving services, you want to find a balance between cost and quality. In Sydney, Nova Scotia, 3 Movers provides a local and long-distance moving service that is affordable and top-notch for commercial and residential customers. For long-distance moves, weight is a critical component. In Canada, movers are required to measure the weight of your items in the truck. This way, you get a price estimate that includes the total per pound weight of your items. In addition, you should get an on-site inspection. 3 Movers offers transparent pricing and free quotes. The cost of labor mostly comes down to the time spent unloading and loading. Packaging your valuables before the move starts is a good way to reduce the time and cost. Labor costs are hourly, so it's best to reduce them when possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sydney moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.